feel like I need one of these stands.
You're recording.
Okay. So my name's Love Lundy. I am a senior political science major, food studies minor here at Spelman College, and I've been taking the Intro to African American Herbalism class this spring semester. This class has been extremely transformational. Is that a word? Transformational for me. I have learned, before we even started learning about herbs, I learned so much about like how to take note of my body. Like I learned how to understand my constitutions and just how different things, from like my medical diagnoses to just the regular day-to-day aspects of my life to my birth chart and like things of that sort, are related to how I can take care of my body. So I'm really grateful for that knowledge, because that knowledge is going to help me to heal even beyond like herbal practices, which is really cool. We've talked about spirituality and just the medical industry and what that means. And as a diabetic, I feel like it's been very important for me to be validated in my experiences that I've had in medical industries. But also just to have these conversations from like a social justice standpoint and like trying to understand how we can move forward. And regarding the herbs, I've really loved having one like time each week where I can come to a class and make herbal medicine. Like that has made my spirit so much lighter, I think, over the semester, because it's just been very grounding to have that routinely to be able to come back to. Last week we made Florida water, and I was able to use it for like some tarot readings that I did, and that was really awesome and just felt like energetically very good. I've cooked with our oxymels. You know, I'm almost out of my goldenrod tincture because this allergy season was rough. I've actually had severe allergies since I was like a kid. Like I used to not be able to play outside. I don't know if I told you that in class. So the fact that I haven't taken Zyrtec this allergy season, it's only been goldenrod, has been like so dope. So yeah, I'm just really grateful for everything that Professor Luss has brought to the table for us. I'm grateful for the community, and I'm excited to continue building my skills and knowledge as an herbalist. So thank you.
Yay!
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.